हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल निफ्टी नेहल। मेरा नाम है नेहा। क्योंकि करवा चौथ is round the corner, I obviously had to create a video around some ideas and suggestions that can be helpful for you. So I have compiled and created a video of how I plan to get ready on the coming festival of Karwa Chauth. And if you wish to see मैंने ये पूरा मेकअप, ये पूरा लुक किस तरह से अचीव किया है, then definitely join in for the video. So before I start with the makeup, I would like to prep my skin and मैं थोड़ा सा skin care करूँगी. सबसे पहले I would just put my hair back, and to start with I will be using this De-tan scrub from Inveda. The texture of this one is really grainy, but ये उतना harsh भी नहीं है कि स्किन को या स्किन की लेयर को हार्म करे. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना स्क्रब माय फेस यूजिंग दिस. सो स्क्रब कर लिया है मैंने एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग वेरी फ्रेश, बट आई एम ऑल्सो गोना अप्लाई अ फेस पैक. एंड उसके लिए आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग दिस वन फ्रॉम हिमालया. एंड इस पैक को लगाने के बाद आई रियली गेट अ वेरी फ्रेश फीलिंग, लाइक अ स्क्वीकी क्लीन स्किन. So I am just gonna apply this face pack. I always feel whenever I am getting ready for any festival or any special occasion, अगर I invest some time in my skin care or extra कुछ pack या कुछ apply करती हूँ, the skin gets really beautiful and the makeup sits even better. So that's why I thought, why not to start with skincare first. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash and come back. So face pack is done. I have washed my face and I have also done the skincare. मैंने अपना moisturiser, serum, I have applied everything. I have also applied lip balm so that by the time we apply the lipstick, our lips are also sorted. So now we are good to go. For primer today, I will be using this one from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin Primer. I am taking very small quantity of this and applying जहाँ पे मुझे पोर्स का थोड़ा इशू है, मेजरली इन द टी जोन, एंड आई एम जस्ट वेरी ग्रेजुअली पैटिंग इट इनटू माय स्किन. Because it's a special makeup and we are getting ready for a very special occasion, I wanted a little highlighted and a glowy kind of a makeup. To achieve that, I will be using this moisturizer from Belora Paris. This is the Illuminating moisturizer, and this is a lovely moisturizer. You can also say it's very similar to the MAC Stroke Cream. It gives a very highlighted and dewy kind of a glow to your skin. I received this one recently from Belora and I have used it a couple of times. बहुत beautiful finish देता है skin पे. So majorly on high points of my face मैं ये apply करूँगी. Now today I will be starting the makeup with my eyes because I am wanting to do a bold eye look today. So whenever I am planning a heavy eye look, I prefer doing my eyes first and then the rest of the base or the face makeup. So firstly I will be using this color corrector. This is Peach color corrector from K Beauty, and to cancel out all the darkness that is here and on my eyelids, I will be using this. I will also apply this face पे जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कि darkness है and there is a need for color correction. मैं वहाँ पे इसे apply करूँगी. Next, I will be using this concealer brush from PAC. This is PAC 272 and I am gonna be blending it out. मैं बहुत इसे स्प्रेड नहीं कर रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट पैटिंग इट, जहाँ पे अप्लाई किया वहीं पे. Now I will also be doing my eyebrows. Eyebrows के लिए मैं ये Loreal Brow Artist यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I'll be using the powder. I will be filling my eyebrows. जहाँ जहाँ पे I feel there are sparse areas, वहाँ पे I'll be using this powder. Now to start with the eye makeup, today I will be using this palette. It has so many beautiful shades. मैं थोड़ा मरून टोन की तरफ प्ले करना चाहती हूँ. After the transition color is done, I will be using this liner from Rimmel London. This is in the shade brown. Planning to do a smoky eye, but I feel every smoky eye and needs a base for itself. So मैं इस brown liner को use करके I'm just gonna apply it on my lids to create that base. It's looking really messy right now. I don't have to worry because इसे हम blend करने वाले हैं. Blending, I will be using a small defined brush like this. और इसे मैं बहुत ध्यान से blend करूँगी because I don't want to move it too much outside. I want to keep it inside the lid area. Now once our brown eyeshadow is blended, I will be taking this maroon shade from the palette using the same precise brush and I'm gonna apply it on the eyelid. I'm taking very little at a time and gradually building up the color. Once I'm happy with the kind of shade I want, I will be going back to the first blending shade और मैं same light color लेके I will just diffuse the outer corners. So the first level of eyeshadow is done. To move forward with the eyes, I will be applying a liner. I will be using this eyeliner from Too Faced. I really like it, has a very precise tip to it. So मुझे इससे eyeliner apply करना, I find it a little easier. So I'm gonna apply a liner now. So done with the eyeliner. Now before starting with the base makeup, I'm gonna be using a tissue और जो भी fall out हुआ है eyeshadow का, I'll just wipe it off. Now for foundation, today I will be mixing two of these foundation. One is this one from K Beauty, the other one is Born This Way from Too Faced. So I am taking half pump each on back of my hand. I will be using a flat foundation brush, mixing the two together and dotting it on my face. Now I'll be taking my beauty blender and moving it all around my face. This will absorb any extra product from the face and also will remove जो भी streaks या lines brush की रह गई होंगी, and it gives a very finished and smooth look to the foundation. Now before applying any powder, I will also be doing cream contouring today, and for that I will be using this product again from Maybelline. This is Maybelline V Face Duo Stick. This is a very old product. मुझे लगता है अब पता नहीं है मार्केट में है या नहीं है. One side of it has a cream bronzer like this and the other side has a highlighter. Highlighter मैं उतना नहीं यूज़ करती, but I really like the bronzer side of it. इसे यूज़ करके I will be creating lines around my face जहाँ पे मुझे ब्रॉन्जिंग या कॉन्टोरिंग करनी है। I feel this gives a very nice control application maybe. Now using the same brush जो मैंने application के लिए यूज़ किया था अपने फाउंडेशन को सेट करने के लिए, मैं उसी से very gradually I am gonna buffing it into the skin. Now for powder today I will be using the Studio Fix from MAC, and to apply it I will be using a powder brush like this, taking very little powder and dusting it. Now I'll also be using a powder bronzer, and I will be using this one from Loreal. Again, this is a very old product. This product is still available in the market, but I think its packing is a little different now. So I am going to be applying it on the regular areas. Now moving on to blush. For blush I will be using this one from Colorbar. This is in this shade Sweet Scarlet. This is a very dark mauvey kind of a shade. मुझे लगा eyes के साथ, eye makeup के साथ this color is really gonna stand out. So taking it on a fluffy blush brush and applying it to my cheeks. Now we can do the under eyes. I will be taking the same brush जो हमने dense brush यूज़ किया था. I'll be taking the maroon shade सबसे पहले and will be applying it on the under eye, only on the outer half. I will not be moving it inside to the inner corner. Now I'll also be taking the black shade that we used on the same brush again, और इसे मैं exactly outer 1/3 पे apply करूँगी. Now I'll be using the same brown liner जिससे हमने base create किया था lid पे, and very lightly I'm gonna apply it towards the outer corner. Finally, to finish the eyes, I will be using a mascara. I will be using this one. This is Lash Sensational from Maybelline. This is a beautiful mascara, works very well. So now the eyes are done, the base is done, blush, bronzer, everything. The last thing that's left is lipstick. So before the lipstick, I will be lining my lips using this liner from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Maroon 02. For lipstick, I will be using this one from Swiss Beauty. This is a beautiful maroon colored lipstick. This is a lovely brownish maroon shade. I am using a nude shade. This is from Note. This is matte lip cream. I'm just gonna apply it on the center part. And using my fingers, I'm gonna blend it. So yeah, done with the makeup. I'm just gonna change, get ready, put my jewelry on and show you how it looks in a while. So this is the final look. I have put on my dress, my jewelry, everything. I'm gonna be giving the final touches to my makeup. I will be using a highlighter. For highlighter, I am using this one from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. I'll be using a small precise brush like this and applying to the high points of my face. And to set the makeup, I will be using this makeup fixer from MAC. This is MAC Prep and Prime. I will be spraying some of this on my makeup sponge and just patting it on my skin. This will lock the makeup in place. So the makeup is done. I am all ready. I am wearing this very beautiful chiffon maroon sari. This sari is very close to my heart. This was gifted to me by my grandmother. और ये बहुत प्यारी साड़ी है जिसपे मैंने एक लेस लगवा रखी है. I felt this saree is so beautiful and graceful because of its material, its color, and it also looks very elegant. And I feel sometimes on festivals like Karwa Chauth, I just feel like wearing something light and graceful and amping it up with some heavy jewelry. So मुझे ऐसा ही कुछ मूड हुआ and that is why I chose this saree. मैंने एक बहुत heavy neck piece पहना है. This is a 4-tier pearl neck piece जिसमें छोटे flowers हैं and it has a green meena work in the center. I feel sometimes contrasting jewelry also looks nice because there was too much of maroon going on. पूरी साड़ी maroon है, blouse maroon है, even the eye makeup is really heavy, full on maroon. So I wanted to use some contrasting jewelry और इसी से मैचिंग एक ग्रीन पर्ल ड्रॉप वाले इयररिंग्स मैंने पहने हैं, एक सिंपल रिंग और आई हैव जस्ट टाइड माई हेयर अप और मैंने ये फ्लावर यूज़ किए हैं. आई ऑर्डर्ड दीज फ्रॉम Amazon. दीज आर वेरी ब्यूटिफुल मरून कलर्ड फ्लावर्स. सो मैंने एक पोनी टेल टाई करके आई हैव प्लेस्ड दीज फ्लावर्स इन माई हेयर and that is the final look. I hope you found today's video interesting, helpful. I am sure all of you will be planning कि क्या पहनना चाहते हैं करवा चौथ पे. You will be planning to go out and pick up something. I hope you would have found some amazing ideas. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do comment down below and let me know any suggestions that you might have around the kind of content that you wish to see. Thank you so much for staying till the end. A happy Karwa Chauth to all of you. Just deck up, dress up beautifully, enjoy the moment, enjoy the festivities around, and see you back again with another video. Till then, bye bye.